Hello everyone, welcome back to the Boundary Bound channel. Okay, so before wasting any time, let's get started. What the topics we're gonna cover today? Okay, so we will cover the phase one. Okay, and after completing the each topic, we just gonna tick the mark that we completed. Okay, and so yeah, so the phase one is getting started, very basic. Okay, so here we see what is the programming. Okay, so I tell you the what is the programming before jumping on the C++ direct writing the code. Okay, even though it's a good thing that you need to be more practical, okay, but you should also have to be need some theoretical concept as well as also because when the time is coming to giving the interview, so the interview is not always ask you like the code. Okay, they need to be see from you that how much you are having more interactive at the interview time. Okay, so that's why I'm saying you that you need to be also having a good knowledge on theoretical concept. Okay, so yeah, so what is a programming? So program, I will tell you the in very simplest way what is a programming means telling a computer what to do step by step using a special language. That's it. Okay, suppose if you want to talk anyone, then you need to be a language. Okay, and so you need to be learn that language and then you try to communicate with others. Okay, so same thing is happening over here. If you want to write a code, then you need to be learn a language and then you write the code, and that is the way that computer can easily understand what you are trying to say to the computer. Okay, so that is a programming language. Okay, so don't be worry, I will just give you a basic knowledge as well as also. So programming means telling a computer what to do step step steps step by step using a special language. Okay, so that is a programming. Okay, no no need to be extra know about in this, but yeah, this is the basic definition of programming. Okay, if anyone asks you, just reply this thing, and I hope many of your friends, okay, they doesn't know what is a programming language. Okay, so if the next time someone is asked you what is a programming, reply this. Okay, programming means nothing, means telling a computer what to do step by step using a special language. Okay, so there is a many special languages. Okay, like C++, okay, like Java, okay, and etc. Okay, there is a many more. Okay, you need, but in this series we are learning C++. Okay, so this is the what this is about what is a programming. Let's coming on C++. So C++ is a programming language used to make fast and more powerful computer. Okay, so this is a language, but a specific language that we if we want to need to communicate with computer, then we will use a C++ language. Okay, if some people are using Java, some people are using Python. Okay, so it's totally totally up to you that which language you are using it to try to communicate with computer. Okay, so yeah, so C++ is a language that used to make fast and more powerful. Okay, that's it. So it's work many platform like Windows, Linux, Mac OS. So one program can run in a different places. Okay, that's it about the. So there's a now we just completed this one is as well as also what is a C++. Now installing C++. Okay, compiler and an IDE. Okay, if you are a Mac user, then you need to become over here in terminal and C lang hyphen version type. Okay, if you get this kind of things, okay, then means that you write that on your computer the C++ compiler is already installed. You don't need to be worried too much about it. Okay, and after this, then you need to be write this commands xcode select hyphen store. After, see, tools are already installed. Okay, so I don't need to be worried too much about it to install the things related to the C++. Okay, because I already installed it. If you are writing the code on Mac, then make sure you have to be write this command in your terminal. Okay, and now I'm coming on the IDE, because IDE is most important way to write the code. So you should have to become download VS Code. Okay, type this, and this is the first website is come. Then you need to become over here, and if the people are using a Mac, then you need to be download this section, then you have to be click this button, and if the people are using Windows, then you have to be click this. Okay, and after clicking, then there is a file download. In the download section, go and click the download file and install. Okay, there is a button install, you have to install it simply. Okay, and I'm not going to explain you in this section how to install it, but yeah, if you have any kind of problem in it, do let me know in the comment section. I will help you in that. Okay, so yeah, so this part we will also cover installing. Now I'm just covering on the first C++ program in C++. Okay, the first program in C++ that you need to be include the libraries. Okay, iOS stream, this is the library that you need to be installed it. Don't be worry too much what is a library, why we using std, okay, why we using iOS stream, why we using include. I will tell you all the things when the time need to becomes. Okay, I'm just writing the code writing the code here to explain you how the thing is working in C++. Okay, that's it. The basic I'm just getting familiar you the basic syntax of C++. Okay, so cout hello world. Okay, okay, and now I'm going to run this program. Okay, why this message is coming? Allow. See, this is the hello world. No, this time I'm clearing out this. Okay, see, hello world. Okay, so this is how the things are working in C++. Okay, I tell you what is a C++, structure of C++ in programs. Okay, how this is the structure. Okay, that you're seeing that you need to be first import the libraries, because this is the basic library that you need to be installed. Okay, and once you install, then you need to write all the things in the main file. Okay, once you write the main whatever the things you need to be write it over here. Now most of the people confuse in this part that just give me a minute. Okay, what is happening over here, yaar? I hope you all have see this one. Okay, I hope this is visible. Okay, yeah, this is visible. So over here, this is the structure that you need to be first do. First you have to be import this library. Okay, once you import this library, then you have to be import std. Okay, once you do all this necessary libraries, okay, once you import all the necessary libraries, then you have to write the main file. Okay, and whatever the things you want to work, okay, then you have to be write in the main file. Okay, like cout hello worlds. Okay, and written. Okay, now most of the people ask why you using cout, why not print. Okay, so this is the base, this is the common sense thing. Okay, because the person who write the program, the person who write the C++, okay, they are interested in cout. Okay, so that's why they write the cout thing. Okay, the person who writing the Python, they use the print. Okay, so this is the common thing. Okay, this is the inbuilt thing that I cannot do any kind of things in it, and that not making, and that there is no concept behind it as well as also. Okay, you have to be understood this kind of thing, and you can easily understand with this as well as also that cout. Okay, if you remove the C, that it means the output. Okay, that's why. Okay, this is the basic. Okay, it's I make this thing my own self. Okay, but yeah, you can easily relate that one. Okay, so this is all about the phase 1. Okay, once we complete the phase 2, then we start solving the problem as well as also, because in the basic part 1, basic part phase 1, there is a no more complex things in it, so that's why I'm not giving the question in it. Okay, yeah, so I hope you like this lecture. Okay, and thank you for all. Please make sure subscribe the channel and comment it and like the video, and yeah, thank you.